How to fix Chrome slow or lagging in Windows 10 PC. In this tutorial I will show you 3 ways to solve the problem. First, open Settings in Google Chrome. Open System. Disable graphic acceleration when available. Now relaunch Chrome browser. Step 2. In search type reset. Step 3. Update your Google Chrome. My Google Chrome was already updated. You can also remove unwanted extension from Google Chrome. I hope your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.